Hi, hello, dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss an important theorem in binomial theorem related to the binomial coefficients. Let us have a discussion. The first question: if C0, C1, C2, C3 and so on Cn are coefficients in the expansion 1 plus x whole power n, then prove that C0 into Cr plus C1 into Cr plus 1, C2 into Cr plus 2 plus and so on, Cn minus R into Cn is equal to 2n factorial by n minus R factorial into n plus R factorial. From this result, hence deduce that C0 square plus C1 square plus C2 square plus and so on Cn square equal to 2n factorial by n factorial square, C0 into C1 plus C1 C2 plus C2 C3 plus and so on Cn minus 1 into Cn equal to 2n Cn plus 1, that is 2n factorial by n plus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. So how to prove this? The given expansion is 1 plus x whole power n only, no? So take that expansion. Consider 1 plus x whole power expansion, whole power n expansion. This we know that C0 plus C1x plus C2x square plus and so on CR x power r, CR plus 1 x power r plus 1 plus and so on Cn minus r x power n minus r plus Cn x power n. Equation number 1. Your dear students, you have to remember this equation. So 1 plus x whole power n expansion is this one. Even we required x plus 1 whole power n expansion also. The above expansion can be written as x plus 1 whole power n is equal to, whenever 1 and x values will be interchanged, so here also the expansion values also will interchange. C0 x power n plus C1 x power n minus 1 plus C2 x power n minus 2 plus and so on Cn minus r x power r plus and so on Cn suffix n, that means Ncn. Equation number 2. After that, we have to do the multiplication of these two equations, equation 1 into equation 2. So first LHS values I am multiplying. So 1 plus x whole power n into x plus 1 whole power n is equal to, both the expansion right in the brackets, C0 plus C1x plus C2x square plus and so on CR x power r plus CR plus 1 into x power r plus 1 plus and so on Cn minus r x power n minus r plus CR Cn x power n. So this is the first bracket value. Next bracket value, C0 x power n plus C1 x power n minus 1 plus C2 x power n minus 2 plus and so on, Cn minus r x power r plus Cn. Observe carefully, dear students. 1 plus x whole power n, x plus 1 whole power n. A power n, b power n means ab whole power n we can write now. In the same way, here both are, but a comma b values both are same here. So 1 plus x or x plus 1 both are same only, no? So 1 plus x into 1 plus x whole power n. 1 plus x whole square into whole power n. So we can write it as 1 plus x into x plus 1 whole power n. This is equal to 1 plus x whole square whole power n, that also equal to 1 plus x whole power 2n. I hope everyone understand. This is equal to the product of these two. Equating the coefficient of x power n plus r, the coefficient of x power n plus r on both sides. On both sides means LHS and RHS. In the above, we get, see first in 1 plus x whole power 2n, x power n plus r, that means a general term. We need to write 1 plus x in RHS, in LHS 1 plus x whole power 2n is there, no? In RHS the product of these two expansions are there. So T n plus r, whatever the coefficient is there, x power n plus r, no? T n plus r plus 1 is equal to 2n c. Why? Because n is equal to 2n here, and 1 plus x whole power 2n expansion. 2n c n plus r into x power n plus r. So 1 power anything is 1 only. This is both sides means this is LHS I am writing. LHS value. Similarly, RHS value I am writing. Observe carefully, dear students. Now I am explaining RHS value. See, I will denote with a different pen to understand that easily. X power n plus r coefficient we want. X plus n power r means basis here C naught x power n into CR x power r. X power n into x power r, x power n plus r only, no? So that means C naught into CR we will write it in RHS value. Similarly, these two. C1 x power n minus 1 into CR plus 1 and so on. We will get it as last term as these two. X power n. These two if you multiply. So C naught into CR plus C1 into CR plus 1 plus and so on. Cn minus r, Cn will come in RHS. All are coefficient of x power n plus r only. That's what I am going to write. For understanding purpose clearly, I have given arrow marks here. Observe that, dear students. So here, x power n plus r coefficient I am writing in RHS. What values we are getting here? C naught CR. C naught CR plus C1 CR plus 1 plus C2 into CR plus 2 plus and so on. Cn minus R into Cn. So equating the coefficient of x power n plus r on both sides. Here x power n plus r coefficient is this one, this bracket value. So this is the coefficient of x power n plus r. This is the coefficient of x power n plus r. These bracket values which I denoted with blue brackets, these we are equating. These we are equating. I hope everyone understand. Therefore, we will get C0 CR plus C1 CR plus 1 plus C2 CR plus 2 plus and so on. Cn minus R into Cn is equal to 2n C n plus R. 2n C n plus R. That's what they are asking to prove. See, by expanding, by definition of NCR, 2n factorial by n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So 2n minus n minus r factorial into r factorial means n plus r factorial, which is equal to 2n factorial by n minus r factorial into n plus r factorial. We got one of the results. So C0 CR plus C1 CR plus 1. So that's what once again I am writing. C0 CR plus C1 CR plus 1 plus and so on. Cn minus R Cn. So this value. Hence proved. But based on this result, two more questions we have. What are the values? We have to prove these two results also. First, to get the first result, you keep this value as equation number 3. The case 1, case 2 we will take it. Put x is equal to, sorry, not put x, r value, sorry. Put r is equal to 0 in equation 3. We get C0 C0 plus C1 C1 and so on, Cn into Cn is equal to, r is equal to 0 substituting now. So 2n factorial by r value n factorial into n factorial. So C0 into C0, C0 square plus C1 square plus and so on, Cn square is equal to 2n factorial by n factorial into n factorial whole square. This is the first result. What they are asking to prove, we got it. Similarly, the second result, case 2. To get the case 2, r is equal to 1, substitute, that's all. Put r is equal to 1 in equation 3. We get C0 into C1 plus C1 into CR plus 1. So C2 will come now. So the immediate one. Next R is equal to 1 if you substitute in that. So C2 into C3 plus and so on. R is equal to 1 if you substitute in that. You will get Cn minus 1 into Cn is equal to R is equal to 1 if you substitute 2n factorial by n minus R means n minus 1 factorial into n plus 1 factorial. So the second result also over. This is the way we can just once again I will briefly scroll down that the theorem. This is the theorem we proved. Once again I am revising. Thank you dear students for watching our channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you all.